Good afternoon, everybody. This is Bob with Wise Guys BBQ, and today you asked for it. We're here to review some products that we've seen and very excited to try out. And actually, let's see what's in this package. Oh, this one I know well. This one I know well, and we'll get into it. All right. So what we have here is we have the Fowl Form. Ryan at Fowl Form graciously sent us this product. Now, I'm a barbecue competitor that uses this product at every competition. So this is what we started out with. We were a muffin tin cooker for chicken thighs. It worked well. I was always scared about forming the chicken and making those nice chicken pillows that you see in competition turning boxes. And at the time, Fowl Form wasn't around. And we went from this to this. So I'll show you all about it. Let's see what we got. So here we are with the Fowl Form, created by Ryan Suydam in St. Peters, Missouri. Here's his information. And I'll tell you what, I was so stoked when this thing came out. I probably had to be one of the first 50 buyers of this thing. So let's see, so what do you get? You get, oh, he sends us a sticker. I'll hold on to that. We got our business card for, smoke ring barbecue supply. And what the hell is this? We have a rubber chicken. We got a rubber chicken. We'll package that. The Fowl Form. So you get all stainless steel, good gauge. I mean, the quality is really nice, clean cuts. So let's see how this goes together, all right? So it fits in a disposable half pan, aluminum half pan. And I tell you what, I'm gonna throw this in as well. I use this. It's a little stainless steel rack. It just interlocks just like that. Once you get it, you're good. So what I do at a competition is I will have all my chicken trimmed, seasoned, and ready to go. So I have my chicken at a competition. I'll have my chicken all here, all nicely brined and seasoned, and I'll put them in, boom, boom, just like so. Next two chickens, slide them in, tuck them in. I'm trying to remember the dimensions. I usually trim my chicken down to about 4.5 ounces, and they fit in there like perfect. So when we're at a competition cooking our chickens, and after we've put our chickens all in the Fowl Form, we just happen to have a kettle, but I cook on Weber Smoky Mountains, so it's basically the same thing. But demonstration purposes, take the chicken, put it on the rack, let that go for probably 45 minutes or so, just to put the smoke flavor and try to get the chicken up to a temperature to start rendering out the fat. We're done. The chicken comes off the smoker, goes into our half pan. We put our pats of butter around in there. We foil it back on the smoker. Let it roll, probably about an hour, something like that. I cook to a temperature like 203, and we bring it off. We pull it out of the buttery juices there, disassemble, pick the whole thing up. And then all my chicken's all right here. I start saucing. Put it here. Sauce tacks up into the turning box. So the Fowl Form, so simple. Another nice thing about the stainless steel and these little components, way easier to clean than this thing. As you can see, this is seen its days on the grill, and the stainless steel, we just, after the competition, bring them home, kind of scrub them down. I actually put them in our dishwasher, and that's it. We're ready to go back in the trailer for the next comp. So, thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on our the latest and greatest products, and have a good day.